we invite to the stage the Minister of Climate of the Republic of Estonia. Please activate the connection.
Today is a day to celebrate, because this is about more than energy. It is about European integration. It is about European sovereignty.
It sends a strong message of encouragement across the entire continent. Everyone can see now that even in these challenging times, great projects of geopolitical importance can and should be implemented.
Today, the last electricity grids in Europe that were still linked to Russia are now fully integrated in Europe's internal energy market. Our cooperation proves when we stand together, no one can blackmail us. This story is also about resilience.
Definitely, protection of critical infrastructure is part of our preparedness for the whole defense of the European continent.